What's up, regulars? Today I want to show you how to get a lot of foam from your car wash for really cheap. So let's get straight to business. The first thing you're going to need is a foam cannon. This is from Amazon. It's $25. As you can see, I already have the soap poured in there. That's all you need. And then I like Chemical Guys products, so I'm using Chemical Guys Honeydew No Foam. You don't have to use this, but I highly recommend you use something that's meant like specifically for a foam cannon like this right here. Now, this foam cannon right here, you have a plus and minus. This is your water setting right here. So plus is more water, minus is less water. So you want it on minus so you have the most foam. Then this is just your spray fan right here. You can twist this right here. The pressure washer I'm using is a Ryobi 1600 PSI. It's just a little tiny pressure washer. This runs about $120. Sometimes Home Depot has it on sale for $100, and you could even buy this on Amazon for around $85 to $90 refurbished, if that's the direction you like to go. Now, why don't I show you how it works on my Porsche 944. This thing looks really clean in video, but it's covered with a lot of dust.